All right, we're into a nice line of the lawn tractors here, starting with lot number 8. Lot number 8, we got the Ford LT75 lawn tractor, and it does run. Yeah, man, there to go. We're going to do that one down there. We're going to do this one. You give $1,000 a month, $1,000 order. If $1,000 a month, $1,000 and $200 and $3, $300 now, $3 and $3, $300 now, $3 and $3, $300. I got $200 online, 2.5. If $2 and $250 now, $3. $300 down, $300 and a half, double $4. If $4 and $400 down, $400 3 and $4.5 and $400 and getting to $5. If $5 and $500 down, are you thinking $475 and now $75 and now $75, $475, about $75. I'll be to burn $450 no $75, about $75, all in, all done $75. If $450 and now $75, about $75. I'll be to burn $450 no $75, about $75, about $75 and a half, $475 and a. So, $450. We have the Ford 100 lawn tractor. Ford 100, this one runs as well. Amen. There we go. We're going to do that one down there. We're going to give $1,000 a one. If $1,000 a one, I'm going to do $50 to $300 and $3, half, $3.5. I'm going to be the bar $350, half. If $3 and $350 and $4, $500, $600, $600 and say it's $600, $700. It's $7. I'll do $650 and I'll have $650. Half to be the bar $650, half to be the bar $600 now, half. It's $6 and now half to be the bar $650. Do you want it all? Then it'll be the bar $650, $6.5. You want it? $650 and I. So, $610, we have the white now. It's original Town and Country 112 lawn tractor, and it does run. Here, back there to go, lot number 10 on the nice white one. Here to go, we're going to do that one down there. $2,000 and $2,000 and $500, $7.5. And $7, how to beat up on $7. It's $7 and now $500, $600, $600 now, $6 and now $600. It's $6 and now $600 now, $500 is bid to give $500 now, $600 and $600 now, $600. It's $6 and now $600 all in the beat up on $600 now, how to beat it in $550 before I go, how to beat up on $550. If $5 and now $5.5 and now $550 how to beat up on $550. You want it? $550. So $500. Lot number 11, we have the Cadet Spirit of 76 lawn tractor. This one does run as well. Yeah, man, sometimes lawn tractors here to go. We're going to do them down there. $1,000 a one, $1,000 a one, $1,000 a one, $400, $500 out of $5. If $5 and $500 out of $5, $600, it's $6 and now $600 out of $5.5, $50 out of $550, $5.5. If $5 and $550 out of $5.5, $600, you'll be the burn out of boys, $700 to $7. It's $7 now $650, how to be the burn of $600 now, $700 to $7. It's $7 now $6.5, $700 online all the way, $700 to $7. It's $7 now $700 all in all through, $7.5 and now $750 and now $7 how to be the burn of $750, how to be the burn of $750 now, $7 how to be the burn of $700 and a half, $750 and I. So $700, you got it. Lot number 12, we have the Wheel Horse GT14. It's an automatic lawn tractor and it does run. Yeah, man, Wheel Horse GT14 down there to go. We're going to do that one down there. $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $200, $300 and $3, $4. If $400, $400 out of $5, $600, $700. It's $780, why not? How about $7.5? And now $750, how to be the $800 and now $8 now half, and now $850, how to be the $900, if $1,000, $950, and now how to be the how about $950, sir? $9.5, and now $950, how to be the I'll make you a deal, and now how to be the $950, how to be the $950, how to be the $950, all in and all done, $950 and I got him a good home. $900, you got him, put it on buyer number. Thank you, Cliff. Lot number 13, we have the Oliver 75 now. These next two Olivers, you got the rare Olivers here, but we're ready for lot number 13, Oliver 75, and it does work, and I mean, here you go. You got to find them first. You bet. I believe Dwight said they only made them for a year. You bet. Lot number 13's in to go. Gonna do that one down there. They're gonna give $2,000 to you and go. Who give $2,000 to start? Hit two. And now $2,000 over down to $2,000. $500 and 7 cents and 7.5. And now 7 cents and $1,000 and one and one. $1,000 and $1,000 and one and one and $1,000 and $12.5. And now 17. And now 17. How to be the 15 to 17. 17 and a half, and now 17 and a half, and about 16, 17. It's 17, about 17 and a half, and now 17, about 17, about 17, 17, 17. And now 17, about $1,700, $1,600 is all going to be $1,700. And now 17, about 17, and now 17, about 17, but then 17, but then 17, 17, $1,700. You want it? $1,700 and now 18, and now 18, 19, and now 19, about 19, about 19, $19, $2,000, $2,000, one more time, and now $2,000, $2,000, $2,000, 19, $2,000, all in. Am I missing anybody? $2,000, $2,000, and now 19, $2,000, and two all in. $2,000, and 2,009. Sold 1,900. 183. Thank you. We have the Oliver 125. Oliver 125 lawn tractor, and it does run. Even bigger and better. Here to go. We're going to do another down there. We're going to do down there again. $3,000 and $3,000 and $3,000. Hit three. And now $2,000 again. $500 and now $500. $7.5. $1,000 and one. $12.5. $2,000 and now 25. And now 25. $2,500 now. 25. $2,000 now. How about $2,250? 22 and a half. And now $2,000 now. 22. 22 now. To be done. 22. $2,000 and 21, and one now 2,000 with you, Cliff. Going to be 2,100, and now 21, 20. How about you? 2,100, 2,100, 21, $2,000, 21, and now 21, and all in, all done. $2,000 and 2,100, and I sold $2,000. Cliff, you got him. Ready for lot number 15, we have the John Deere 140 red patio. You bet, red patio series tractor right here. All right, there to go, nice tractor, here to go. We're going to do now down there, we're going to get $1,000, $1,000, $500, $7.5, and now 7, 7, 7, almost 7, how to be the burn up, how to $1,750, hit 5, and now $7,500, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $1, $12.5, and now 12, 15, 15, 15, 15, hit 15, and now 17 and a half, and now 17, $50, now 17, how to be the burn up, 15, 16, 17, and now 17, almost $1,700, 18, 18, $1,800, 18, hit 18. And now $1,800, 17, 18, 18, 18, 18, half, and now 18, and now 18, $1,800 and a half, and 19 and a half, Wilson here, 19 and a half, I'll be doing 18 and a half, and now 19, and now 19, 19, 19, 19, now $2,000 and a 50, and now $2,000 and 21, 2,200, 22, and now 22, and now 22, 22, you say 22, ma'am, 2,200? I got 21. We're going north. 2,200, 22, and now 3, and now 23, $2,300 now 3, and now 23, $2,300 all in. But we able to wire $2,300 all in and all done. You want it? 2,300 and I sold 2,200 right there. Lot number 16, we have the White Town and Country 112 lawn tractor. Again, it's a white original. Amen. There they go. We're going to do that one down there. They're going to give $2,000 on a $2,000 on a $500 again. 5, 5, 5, 500 and 7 and a half. And now 7, 7, 7. 1,000 and now 1,000 on a 1 and 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 7, 50,000 on a 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and $1,000, $800, 800, 8 and now 750, $800 and 8 all in, all done, 800 if you want her. And now $800 and 800, 750 and $800. Do you want it? 800 and I sold $750. Lot number 17, we have the Case 224 lawn tractor. You bet. Lot number 17's in. We're going to do another down there. $1,000 and one and one and one and one to be the $1,000 and one and one to give $100 and a half and $150 one and a half to be the 2 and a half and 3 and now $300 and 3 4 and now $500 $600 8 600 7 7 7 700 800. And now 7, and now 7, 7, 7, little $700, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, little $800, 8, 8, 8, 8. I'll do 750, Cliff. And now 800. 800, and now 7, and a half, little 8, 8, 8, little $800, 8, 8, 8, little 800, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. If 9, little 900, 850, 9, 8 and a half, and now 9, 9, 9, 9, little 900, $9,000 a month. Just give me a grand. Just give me $1,000. And now $9,500 a month, $9,000 a month. You almost own that tractor. $1,000 a month, all in, all done, $1,000 tonight. So, 9. We have the John Deere 60 lawn tractor. Nice little John Deere tractor here, and it does run. All right, there you go. We're going to do that one down there. $1,000 $110, $110, $200 and $10. $200 and $100 and a half, $200 and $3, $200 and $3, $4, $400 and $400 Marcus is in at $300, $3 and a half, and now $350. How to beat a burn? $350. How to beat a burn? $4, half, and now 5, and now 505. 5 to beat a burn. 5, 4 to have it on $500 all in. You'll beat a burn. 500 and I. 500. Anybody else? 500. Sold. $450, Marcus. Lot number 19, we have the John Deere 70 lawn tractor. It does need some governor work on it, but it is a neat, nice little tractor here on the 70. What are you going to do in that one down there? Little bit going to do down there. Nothing major wrong here. We're going to give $500 and $500 and $5. If 5 and I'm thinking of $3 and a half, and I'm thinking of $50. How to beat a barn? Thinking of $50 and $4 and $4. If 4 and I'm 4 and how to beat a barn? $450. How to beat a barn? 4 and a half, 4 and a half. How to beat a 4 and a half, and I'm $450. How to beat a what do you think? 450. 4 and a half, and now 4 and a half. I'm on 5, and a 5, Marcus, you're out 5, and a 500. $5, 450 is bid. Give 500, and now 4 and a half. I'm on $500 all. Now to beat a barn. I'm on 500 tonight. Sold. $450. Put it on. Lot number 20, we have the Wheel Horse D250 lawn tractor. It does run. Right after we sell it, we're going to sell the weights that are laying right in front of it. So we're going to sell lot number 20 and then the weights. We have the Wheel Horse D250 lawn tractor right there. Yeah, man. We're going to do that one down there. Nice machine here. We're going to do runs good, purrs like a kitten. We're going to do that one down there. $2,000 a tail. If $2,000 and $2,500 and $2,500 $2,000 and $25. If 5 and now $2,000 and $25. $2,000 is bid. You give 22 and a half. And now 22. Oh, he was looking at the screen? Okay, I thought I was in for a nice surprise. $2,000 and $2,000, who give it? You want to bid $1,000? And now $1,000 and $1,000 $500 and $5. Come on, boys, you give $500 and $5, 7 and a half. And now 7, 7, 7. It's 7 to 7, 7, 7. $1,000 and $1,000 and $12 and a half. And now $12.50. And now $12 and a half. How to beat a burn? Steve talked to him. How to beat a burn? How to beat a burn? 15, 15. And now 15. $1,500, 15, I'll do 13, 1,300, 13, 14, and now 14, 15, and now 16, and now 17, $1,700, 17, $1,700, 17, Dave, come here, $17, $1,700, all to be the $1,700, you want it? 1,700, 17, sold, 1,600, you got him, Clifford, owned by
slot number 21. Wheel Horse right here. All right, ready? Going right in. Brass going 700. We see. What do you get? 7, now 7. What do I got? 2. What do you say? 3 and a half. I get 3 bid and a half. 3 bid and a half. See. What do you get? 300. 350. 350 about it. We see. What do you get? 3 bid and a half. 4 and a 4 bid. So we see. What do you get? 400. 50 bid now 4. 3 and a half. Would have been 4. We see. What do you get? 3 and a half. Would have been 375. And 50 now 4. 400, we see, we get 400 in the 475, we get 400. I get 375 in, we see, we get 4 bid here. Sold 375 and number. Next started up is the 22. Lot number 22 doesn't run. Doesn't run. What do you say? Running 300. What do you say? What do you get? 3 bid, we see, what do you get? 3 bid now 3, give 100. 100 now have 150, 2 bid now have 50. see if I get 250, 200, 250, 200, 250. I get 200, now 50, say 58, now 50, now 3. And 3 bid, 3 ever seen, get a high bid, now 75. At 250, 275, 50 and 75 ever seen, get a high bid, 75 in here. Sold 250 at 23. All right, lot number 23. On the next hill, running another wheel horse right here. What do you think? Running, get 500. Get 500, 500, 400, 450, what do you receive? What do you put in? Half fine, if I did, so you receive, what do you 500? I get 500, 500, 500, what do you 6 here, now 6 here, now 6 here. At 50, 575, 600, now quarter. I get 6 here, now quarter, now high, 650, 50, 75, and 75, 700, now high, 700, you receive, what do you 750? I get 700, now quarter, 700, now quarter. And high 50, 50, 75, 775, 800, and 800 now quarter. I get 825, 50, 850, 875, and 8 been the same. I'm going to give 875, 50, and 75, and get high 175 in here. 875, 850 right here. Number is the International Cub Cadet here, 100, and it runs. All right, it runs. All right, right here, going right here. What do you think? Right in, going in 500. Hit 500, 550. I get 5 in, get high. 500, high, the same. Get 500, high, the same. Get 550. At 500, 550, right here, the same. Get 500, 5 and a quarter. 5 and a quarter, 520, 5 the same. Get 500. Y'all done 5 and a quarter. 500, 525, 500 now quarter. At 500, 525, the same. Get 500 and a quarter. Now 50 and 50 and 75 and 75 50 minute now 75 600 now quarter 6 here now quarter I get 6 here and 625 here receiving 6 here now quarter bin get 625 here sold 608 J.C. Penney and it runs. J.C. Penney and it runs. Have a look running. It's yellow. Have a look here. What do you say? I'm going to get 500. Hit 500. Got 100. 150. And one high. One high. There we say one would have been high. Two bid say one high would have been 200. Hit 200 now 2. 150. 175. Come on. Give 175 would have been 200. And 200 now quarter. They say 200. And two bid so got 75 this way. 200. And 75 would have been 2. 175 would have been 2. Now quarter. Hit 225. 250. 225. 50. And 75. And 75 and 300. At 300, what do you say? What do you 3? 275 and now quarter. And a quarter, 325, 350. And 400, 400 now 4. Take 75, 375, 400. And a quarter, 425. There we see, get 400, get 425 in here. Sold 400, way back for. We have 26 here, the Colt Rancher. It does run. All right, ready, runs right here. What do you say? 1,000 on here. 500, 550. Hit 600, now high, 600, high, baby, see, when it is 600, 7, now high, 50, 800, at 800, 800, 7 high, see, when it is 7 high, 800, 750, 8 high, 900, 900, 950, 950, 1,000 on here, 1,050, when it is 1,100, 10, 11, 9, 12, 1,100, 1,150. I get 1,100, give a high, 1,100, give a high, 50, 1,150, very same, 11 high, 50 here. So 1,100 back here is 7. It's a case for 44 and it does run. And it does run. And what do you say right here? Take a look here in the last one in 500. Hit 500. What do you say? What do you find? Got 100, 150. I get a 1, a 2, give a high, the same, a 3, a high, the same, 4, a 4 bid, so say 500. 500, 600, 600, now 600, 500 bid, 550, 600, and 600, now 600, 500, 600, 550, 600, 650, 650, 700, now. at 7, 800, 8 bid, give a high, 900, $1,000, 1,000 ever seen now 10, 950, sir, 950, at 950, 1,000 ever seen now 10, I get 910, 910 bid, service 910, 100, 1050, 1,050 about here, 10 bid, give a high, 1050 about here. So 1,000 backs to the number horse on 28 now. All right, it needs batteries, but it does run. It needs batteries, but does run. All right, ready? Tell me about it. The wheel horse ready, and the rest ready. 500. Hit 500, we say 5, got 100, 200, 1, 2, 3 bid, we say 3 bid now, 3 bid, 250 bid now, 3, now high, 3.5 bid, we say 3 bid now, high, we say 350, all wheel horse ready, 350 bid here, 300, 350 bid, we say 3 bid now, high, yes, 50, now 4, and 4, now half, 4.5, 500, hit 500, 500, 4.5, and 5, all get 4.5, 475, y'all through 450 right here, we see, we're gonna get 475, and so 450 right here. We only made 20 of these, the Parker Mini Gravity Wagon, very rare, and I don't know, are you thinking 10,000 or 1,000? I have no clue, but there it is, never saw one like it. Give 1,000 and roll ahead. 1,000 bucks here, 1,000 in the same, and get 10, 500, 750, I get 5 here and 7.5, 500 and 7.5 here, 7.5 in, 6 here, now 7, at 800, 9, 9 here, we're saying 1,000, we're saying 10 to 12.5, 50, 1250, but we're saying, get 10 to 12.5, 1,100, 1,200, I get 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, now 1,313, sir, everybody saying, get 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, and 1,500, 1,400 now, 15, sir, everybody get 1,600 now, 17, at 17 here, we're saying, everybody get 1,800, 1,900, and 2,000, 22, 50, 21, at 21, 22, 21, 1, sir, we're saying, everybody 1 now, 200, one of a kind. One of a kind, and that's kind of what pays the bills later on. Got 21, 2,200, 2,200, and 21, number 22, 21, number 22, with the money now, 3, and 4, 2,400, and 2,400, we'll say, 3 minutes now, 4, what does she say, 2,400? 2,300 now, 4, high to 3 bid, 4, 2,400, 23 bid, we'll see, I'm gonna get 4, 23 bid, we'll see, I'm gonna get 24, and y'all done, 2,400, 2,400, so 2,300, who's the lucky one? Manure spreader on 30, all right, ready, lot number 30, right here, what are you saying, give 1,000 on here, 1,000, we'll see, I'm gonna get 10, 5, 6 here, 6 here, now 6 here. I get 6 here, 7, 7, 7, get 6 here, now 7, 700, 600, 7. I get 600 now 7. The old Oliver Runners, better in 700, 600, 700. I get 600, 650, 650, 700, now 7. I'm gonna have it on 7 here, 700, 650, now high, 750. At 7, 7 high, 750, I'm gonna give 800, 800, 8 bid, I'm gonna give 8, 7 high, I'm gonna give 800, on 8 now high, 850, 850, but I'm gonna say, I'm gonna give 8, I'm gonna give 850, at 850, but 900, 900, 900, gonna have it up at 9, I get 8 and have it up at 900, at 850, over 9, service, and 8 and have it up at 900, you're on here, and 8 and have it up at 900, and so 850, buyer 100,